Do you have pin locks? Do you guys have like thinner ski masks? I belong. I haven't worn my gauntlets in forever. I haven't worn my gauntlets in so long. Oh yeah, it feels so big. I gotta get this fixed, like sewn or something. Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Josiah. We're out with Aaliyah. We're gonna hit up Cycle Gear and then we're gonna hit up Big 5. We're gonna get like the ski mask for under a helmet because you can't really tell. You can kind of tell it looks like fall, but it's almost winter and it's really cold outside. So we want to get the ski mask to stay warm. And then I need to get a pin lock because my visor is all foggy. You don't get on the bike for so long that when you get on the bike, it feels so good. A scarf to go around my neck would be fine. I don't even need a whole ski mask. But we want to get thin ones because the thick ones make the helmet too tight. You can fit that, bro. Let's go. Your hood matches the bike too. You got that red and black. The gauntlets, they are so thick that it feels different to hold the handlebars with them. The thinner ones are just so much nicer. It feels like I have more of a hold, like more control. I gotta open my visor because it's getting foggy. Yeah, I gotta see if they have pin locks. Her exhaust, I thought it was called Leo Vince, but after watching Adobo Moto, which I know we all do, it says it's called Leo Vince. I think. Leo Vince. Alright guys, we made it to Cycle Gear. Do you have pin locks for Arai? No. Nobody does. Ever. Do you guys have like thinner ski masks? I like it. Do you like it? How much is it? $10 right now. Oh yeah. You want to get two?
Mm-hmm. Are you going to put it on right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
It's cold.
Oh, that I had enough to pay for the whole thing? Yep.
Oh. Nice.
See you later.
We gotta get moving though or else I'm gonna get too hot. So they were like 10 bucks a piece and I had cash left over from when I bought the suit and it paid for them completely. I like my nose not being in it. Look at me. I don't know if I've ever been on YouTube. No one knows what I look like. Except that half of my subscribers are my mom. Now we get to go riding warm. It's so hot when you're sitting still. What in the world? Well, YouTube, this is exciting. This is what they came to watch right here. Us sitting at lights. The taxis. This one? Okay. I don't know, the one on your phone. I only have songs that I don't want to skip, so I just play songs that I don't care because I won't want to skip them. It's about to be our turn. I can feel it. For only 10 bucks, I really like it. Keeps it pretty warm. Porsche. Oh, I got a G-Wagon behind me. I didn't even see it until just now. I like this nice little town looking. I've never gone to any of these places and I live right over here. And I've never gone to any of them. I'd rather eat at home because I don't feel like eating in this. I like riding in this, I don't like eating in it. Boing, 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 boing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, let me know down in the comments. Remember, Jesus loves you. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace. Good night, buddy.